Welcome to Small Cell World Summit 2026.
This is my third time and really enjoy the sort of collaborative environment here.
It's a fantastic event. We can in a couple of days meet all the relevant stakeholders of our business.
It's a very good place to be at and a very good place to network.
We're proudly the main sponsor for Small Cell, and we've been with Small Cell for years now. The energy in the events is a clear showcase why Neutral Host is the pinnacle and should be the cornerstone where most of the rollouts are going to be.
I think I was really interested to learn about the role of small cells in NTN and satellite. I'm learning how important that is and how closely aligned those two technologies are becoming.
There is the exploration of AI-RAN, NTN network, and the future of O-RAN. And this is amazingly being deployed in many countries at the moment.
It's really interesting to see that after this macro deployment that small cells are natural steps to do the densification, and also a lot of the challenges the MNOs and neutral host providers raises. But I even more enjoy the one-to-one conversations with people on the floor.
We've seen some interesting new sessions this year, new joiners coming from different parts of the industry, and this is clear evidence on the success and the attractiveness of the participation.
This discussion around the digital requirement of the modern venues is really very relevant for us as a technology provider, but also as a player of the ecosystem.
There's a couple of interesting companies that I've met here today. I'll be taking those back to Shropshire and following up a couple of opportunities with them. Also learning about a couple of projects from other local authorities that will trial as well in our area.
The event was very well organized. From the beginning, we have a huge audience. People are coming from Middle East, from Asia, from different parts of Europe.
What I really like is it has a good mix of being informal and informative.
We are all here in one hotel all together and feels more relaxed and more value-added conversations.
London is a great city. It's near to my heart and it's the right place to have the event on.
Definitely come back next year. There's a useful bunch of people here. It's not just all from one particular part of the sector, so you get to kind of collaborate with lots of different parts of the sector. So yeah, really, really well organised and great food.
Great, we love that.